The X2 model range marks the next step of the BMW Group's relentless pursuit for innovations addressing sustainability aspects of cars. We pursue the vision of circular economy with the aim of keeping raw materials within a loop for as long as possible. We pair this with ever-reducing CO2 emissions in all BMW plants.
Looking at the figures, this pays off. Vehicles are manufactured using roughly 25% recycled and reused material on average. The secondary first approach is intended to gradually increase this figure to 50%. Using secondary materials instead of primary materials brings about a substantial reduction in CO2 emissions of around 80% for aluminium and up to 70% for steel. Floor mats in the iX2 are made by monomaterial in order to achieve a higher recycling quality at the end of its life cycle.
The BMW Group is the first automotive manufacturer worldwide to use matte paints made from biomass instead of crude oil at its European plants.
The fifth-generation BMW eDrive technology in the iX2 sets standards in terms of efficiency and conserving resources.
This development by the BMW Group, including the design principle of electric motors, helps us avoid rare earth elements.
BMW purchases cobalt and lithium, which are required for the high-voltage batteries, from certified vendors and supplies the materials to the firms itself.
This way, we ensure our self-defined benchmark regarding sustainability aspects across the whole supply chain is met. These aspects are just a glimpse into our sustainability measures, which go even further.